Want your card website to rank on Google and get free traffic? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to optimize your card site for SEO step by step, even if you're a beginner. Start by adding a clear title and meta description. This tells search engines what your site is about. Include your main keywords in your headings, text, and titles, but don't overuse them. Use proper heading structure like H1 for your main title and H2 for sections. Add alt text to your images so search engines can understand them. Using a custom domain looks more professional and helps with SEO. Google ranks mobile-friendly websites higher, so make sure your design works perfectly on mobile. A fast-loading site improves SEO. Compress images and avoid heavy elements. Add an open graph image so your site looks good when shared on social media. Submit your site to Google Search Console so it can be indexed faster. Get links from other websites or social media. This helps improve your rankings. Update your site regularly. Fresh content helps improve SEO performance. Publish your site and monitor performance using analytics tools.